Let's learn how to enable quiet mode on Instagram. If you want to switch to quiet mode but don't know how to do it, you don't have to worry anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is check if your Instagram is updated. You can do this by going to the App Store and typing Instagram in the search bar. If it says open next to Instagram, then it is updated. If it says update, click on it and wait a bit. The next thing you need to do is open Instagram. When you open Instagram, you'll be on the home page, but you need to be on the page where your profile is. This page opens when you click on your profile icon located in the bottom right corner. Once that page opens, you need to click on the 3 horizontal lines located in the top right corner of the screen. When you click on that, a page with many options will open. On that page, you need to click on the notifications option, which has a bell icon next to it. When you click on that option, a page with several options will open. On that page, you need to click on the quiet mode option, which is the second one down. When you click on that, a page with several options will open, and on that page you need to turn on the quiet mode option. Once you've turned it on, select the time you want to be in quiet mode. Below that, you can also choose the days you want to be in quiet mode. And you should know that when you turn on quiet mode and someone sends you a message, they will receive a notification that you are in quiet mode. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.